Here at Tebis AG, we are not resting on our laurels after 40 successful years. Shaping the future is in our DNA. That is why we are looking ahead to the next 40 years. The Tebis NEXT40 concept tells the story of a spaceship that, on its mission in 2065, redefines the boundaries of holistic manufacturing. We plan to build this spaceship as an exhibit and present it at the AMB trade show in Stuttgart. We'll take you along for the ride and show you every step of the way.
Wir haben uns bewusst für ein Raumschiff entschieden.
We deliberately chose a spaceship. The spaceship serves as a symbol of innovation, progress and the courage to break new ground. It stands for the ability to overcome boundaries and set new standards with groundbreaking ideas. These are values that also define Tebis and that we have deliberately incorporated into this project. To make sure we get the best possible design for our spaceship, we contacted a good old friend. 20 years ago, the Department of Transportation Design at Pforzheim University and Tebis AG carried out projects that were really innovative at the time. A design project is, above all, about innovation.
Jetzt fahren wir wieder nach Pforzheim.
Now we are heading back to Pforzheim. We plan to hold a contest in the 4th semester. What does the NEXT40 spaceship look like? What exactly is its design like? Pforzheim University is one of the largest universities in Baden-Württemberg. The School of Design is one of the oldest schools in Germany dedicated to the field of design. The Transportation Design program is known for its close ties to industry. We are known for our collaborations with industry. This semester, we are collaborating with Tebis AG, Honda Motorcycles, Opel AG and Cupra. Here in Transportation Design, we have traditionally focused more on automotive, but also on everything that transports people as well as goods. And when Tebis AG contacted us, it was a great challenge. We are very excited about our collaboration with Tebis. Let's just say this: the OEM's future chief designers are probably currently attending Pforzheim University. We have 10 months, a very tight window, to carry out this magnificent project. We don't want to waste any time. So, on your marks, get set, go! This semester we are working with Tebis on a really interesting project. We are designing a spaceship. We all present our work here on 2 walls every week. Basically, we have done everything from hand-drawn sketches to posters and concepts. I want to bring this culture and passion for driving to Mars with my concept. My concept is a small racer that hovers about a meter above the ground, which means you can drive across Mars and explore the planet a little more. The NEXT40 spaceship embodies Tebis' commitment to taking a holistic approach to manufacturing, from the initial idea to flawless execution. For this project, Tebis deliberately brought together some of the best companies and institutions in their respective fields. From the creative design concepts at Pforzheim University through Tebis areas of excellence such as digital process planning, CAD design and CAM programming to high-precision manufacturing in collaboration with our partners. In this project, our partners are DMG Mori Seebach, Okuma Europe, Zeiss ICS Germany, FCS System and Ingersoll. The result is a real-world exhibit that not only demonstrates the capabilities of the partners involved, but above all, the strength of the Tebis approach to combine the best technologies, processes and experts into a seamless, efficient and forward-looking comprehensive solution. While we are still waiting to find out who will make it to the finals, in the next video, we'll show you the process of turning a 2D sketch into a 3D model. Are you in?